All right, guys. Good morning, everybody. Let's do the recap for today. It was yesterday, better than yesterday. So NVDA gapped up yesterday. Obviously, everybody saw that NVDA had a massive run, 7% up, just unbelievable. And I had a really bad loss on it trying to shorting it. Today, gapped up. Hi, thanks for watching my video. My name is Andrew Aziz, and I'm the author of How to Day Trade for a Living. In this channel, I'm showing my daily trades on the US stock market. I hope that you enjoy the videos. Make sure to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and welcome to my channel. Up even 2%, so that's very scary that another gap up. I actually sold calls at 470 for by the end of this week, so I hope I actually doesn't get to 470 by the end of this week. You never know if we have 3 more days. Doesn't seem that today has more momentum to go to the upside. But anyways, we'll see what happened today. Today at the open in the pre-market, had a very nice price action, had a really nice pre-market high, closed the week, and it sold off. And I decided to take a 1 minute opening range breakdown. You can take the 1 minute opening range breakdown on a stock that is gapping up, but you just got to be careful that you don't get a squeeze really bad, because a lot of time this gap up, you see some weakness and then it pop back up. So I decided to take the short and see potentially we can go to 442. Squeeze back above the VWAP. I got stopped out, but I quickly flipped my position here for the break of high of the day. So that was a really quick flip of covering short and adding long, and then I added more near the high of the day, and then boom, we get a really nice run up all the way up to 450 from 443. Then it came down and I got stopped out at the break even. So what we are seeing here is essentially 2 trades, one short and then one long, that turned out to be really nice. I really didn't like the fact that it dropped, and I thought that okay, it must be done, although still my break-even point was down here. I got out of it, and I regret that, because after that it squeezed back up again and then just ran up significantly all the way up to 452. I wasn't there. It did drop though, and 5-minute candlestick became some sort of a engulfing here. So as you see, this is a very big engulfing candlestick. So really nice, and I kind of went short bias on that, and I decided to take it to the short side. So on a 1 minute I decided to take a short here on this pullback, and then added more. I covered some because I was really nervous, but it did drop below the VWAP, and I started covering my position. Came back up, I added a little bit of this short on that, and then I covered some here more, and then that turned out to be a short trade. Then it came down toward the previous day close. I got a bounce from the previous day close, so I got this long right at the previous day close, because usually previous day close is a very important support, and then bounce back. I got 2,000 shares here, pop all the way up to 442, and then it came down to the previous day close, and I got stopped out. So it turned out to be 2 good, really nice long on that. TQQQ was another trade that I did, and unfortunately didn't work out. At the open, Qs popped up. I thought this is gonna go be red to green, dropped, I added more, and then you really lost the VWAP and I got stopped out. It came back down. It did a double bottom here at around this 367 level on QQQ. I went long again and popped up, sold some, it came down, and I got out at the break even. So I recovered a little bit of loss here, but unfortunately not all of the loss. So the position that I have here is I'm short NVDA calls at 470 for the end of this week. I'm actually negative on that, a little bit worrisome, and I have the JP. The P&L, turned out to be the NVDA was very profitable. Short, I lost money on that, and TQQ also I lost money. And I think this is a good way of ending my day. I was thinking of Tesla potentially sell off all the way up to this level of 237, below 234. Really didn't get there because there's a very important level here on the daily chart. Really never get that, so I was really hoping to get to this level. Didn't get that, bounce back, so I might have missed the reversal on that. Brian, I think he did a really nice trade on SE at the open. Still limited had earning, and it was really bad and gapping down 28%, and it's just continuing getting destroyed. This is a Singaporean-based game company that is just not having a good day. Brian, what was the other trading that you did?
Yeah, no, that was my best trade was the SE trade. It was my Rising Devil trade. that I like. So it just it opened. It was setting up just exactly the way I wanted it to opening week, and then didn't really do anything for the first minute, but it did pop up to the 9 moving average, and that's where I shorted it, and then took some covers. And yeah, we took a few trades on NVDA as well, more sort of scalping trades. So yeah, overall it was a good day, I would say. And
Yeah, amazing.
so
Yeah,
it's
it was a pretty
yeah.
good day actually. Very very volatile day. I think the market is gapping down and losing is it's down because I think Fitch downgraded a couple of banks in the U.S. and you know, this downgrade impacted IWM a lot because it's mostly financials. S&P 500 and Qs are down, so market seems that it's might have stuck into the choppiness environment. The rally is over and now we're getting some sort of a chop. A lot of these perma bears in the Twitter, they say, oh, this is a collapse, but you know, there is no sign of collapse. It's the sentiment is definitely that US economy has been strong and the inflation is coming down without really hitting a big recession. Michael Berry, Dr. Michael Berry, the famous big short seller, he has a lot of puts on Qs and SPY. So that means essentially synthetically he's short the market, but he's been wrong many, many times. So it doesn't necessarily mean that because he's short, we should short the market. But as long as this volatility, intraday volatility, comes like NVDA, this move is crazy today, going up 3-4%, coming down 3-4%. This is amazing for day traders, and fairly easy to trade NVDA. If you get the risk management right, it's actually very easy. About the peak capital, guys. Peak capital this round we're gonna do with the funded account. So there's a lot of questions about how it works. It's gonna be 7 p.m. today in Peak Capital website, not in the chat room BBT, in the Peak Capital website. I'm gonna explain. Mike and I explain how it works. And if you have any question about that, feel free to come at 7 p.m. Eastern time in Peak Capital Trading website. We also sent an email to everybody, so check your email with the email that you actually sign up. So it's very important with the email that you sign up, because we send it over there. Some people sometimes email me and say, hey, well, I didn't get the email. And I say, well, this is the email that we send. And I say, oh, no, that's not my working email. I'm not checking that. Well, I don't have your other email. The only thing that we have is the one that you actually sign up or link it to your Peak Capital. All right, guys, thank you so much. Yeah, Jason, I think this one is full. I think we have a little bit of actually oversubscribed too. If you want to sign up for the next one, you can sign up. You can sign up if there is any cancellation last minute, Jason. We can add you in there. But I think it's full because the team captains really can work more than that. Really appreciate the support, guys, and looking forward to actually have one of probably most interesting boot camps that we have, guys. Ciao.